We're here in Manila and I'm with my local friend and travel blogger Anton.
And we're gonna show you how much Filipino food we can buy for $10.
Yes, that's right. I'm bringing back my $10 series for an 11th episode. This time, I'm thrilled to be in the Philippines, my new home base for summer. And what's better than getting a tour of Manila from a guy who knows the city better than anyone else? Are you a native of Manila?
Yes, I was born and raised in Manila.
We're at a night market called Mercato Central, and it's only open Wednesday to Saturday from 6 p.m. to 3 a.m.
The beautiful thing about this market is you can just come as you are, whether you're in slippers, shorts, or you're coming from the office. You have to remember you're in the heart of BGC, which is the center of modern development here in Manila.
There's so many food options here that I don't know where to start. Let's see what we can eat for $10.
Oh man, you should try this. Lechon belly from Cebu.
It's like a potato chip, but a pig, pork potato chip. Let's feast. San Mig Light, my favorite Filipino beer.
San Mig Premium.
He's a premium kind of guy.
Yum 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 yum.
Bagnet rice patong, a delicious meal.
With tofu, vegetable, green beans, mixed with oyster and special sauce.
Yum yum yum. Yum
Yum, yum, yum. Onwards we go. Chicken intestines. That's something we don't eat in America.
The number one iconic street food, number one item in the market.
I love it.
Actually, sir, we have beef pares.
Have you tried pares? You haven't
No.
tried? Oh man, you can really just like drink it in your way. Oh, it's so good. This is one of the iconic Filipino desserts. It's from the Spanish and it's called leche flan.
Leche flan. Eggs and milk. Soft, melts in your mouth. Kind of like a pancake. Really good.
Yeah.
In total, I got lechon, rice patong, chicken isaw, beef pares, and leche flan for $9.46. I'm so full, guys. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our
Future video collaboration around the beautiful island of the Philippines.
I'm Drewbinsky, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world.